When the drilling stops, the cleanup begins. Petro Mechanical brings the crews, equipment, and experience to restore the site from the ground up. Hydrovac operations remove drilling mud, debris, and contaminated buildup from active cellars. From cleanup to final restoration, Petro Mechanical delivers the kind of work customers can depend on. Heavy equipment operators remove damaged soil, spread fresh material, and back drag and smooth pad with precision. Roustabout crews clear the location, haul away waste, and keep the operation moving safely and efficiently. Because every site matters, and every detail matters. Fast, professional, done right the first time. Petro Mechanical, restoring the field with pride.